Who is such a 3D animation short video? Create USA content by creating dollars. Wish the video was perfect for them today. Free A to Z, I will show you the video fast. Keep watching till the last. The first thing we have to do is Google Play. Go to the store and go here. We have to download an app from Queen 3. We need to get this app installed by Queen 3 Studios. So we have these apps already. I keep installing now. I would say the job we have to do. We're going to create an email first. To create an email, we're getting help from ChatGPT. So you're going to create a prompt in ChatGPT. I've created an already prompt, and what you're going to do is I'm going to prompt you to start the chat according to this prompt. Make these prompts some unique style and make them unique. You can make new prompts from there. You can make new animations. First of all, we take the image prompt from here. After taking the image prompt, we're going to go to Google Chrome. From here, we are moving to Google Float. We are totally free now. We are new project from here. Already I have a project. Now from here, we are image level. If you have videos, then take images. You will not have any credit cost to create images unlimited. You can create images, and from here I am image level 6. Keep doing it now. That's where I'm gonna do it. I'm going to paste that image with prompt talk. I'm 6 from here, but the image I made. Click here to download. Well, another one of us. There is a shortcut way we will click on these 3 lines. After clicking on the try line, we are going to click on the download project option. After clicking on the download project option, you will see that our project has been downloaded. I move to Thrill Manager. From here, I am extracting the images once in a while. So it's exhausted now. I check in the gallery so you can see that in my gallery, but already is coming. Now we're going to check in now. We're going to make videos from images now. We're going to make videos. Now the animation we're going to create, we're the Queen 3 that I've installed here. We're going to sign up by clicking on the login option. We're going to click on the sign up button to sign up. We're going to give a name first. The name after the name is given. We're giving a mail from here, the tap match, then give a password to give the password. Now I've been told to verify my account. So to verify my email, we're going to temple again, and then the email is going to temple. When you click here, you see it says 1 My Account option, then you click 1 Our account has been clicked, then you click the I have verify option, you have to email again. So you can see in our account but logged in, and now we're showing the way we're going to generate the video. We're going to click on the plus account. We're going to click on the create video option. Okay, what's our first image? We're having the first scene, we're having the animation pump from here. We're having to copy here, we're having to paste very quickly but from here. But the video gets made in just 30 seconds within 40 seconds. And from here you can make unlimited videos. So the viewers are watching us, but the video is made in 5 seconds. But every video I'm playing from here is a fairly beautiful and quality flower video, but we've got no watermarks in it. I could see the video, but the quality flowers are beautiful. But a smooth, there is a video, I click on the download option from here. It is free, but it will be downloaded. There is no credit here, and there is no limit unlimited. If your limit expires, you will do one thing, click here. Then click here, and then log out if you want. Create a new account again with a temp mail. Unlimited is the way you can create videos. There is no platform that can create unlimited videos like this. It is the best EB. Well, I'm teaching you another trick so you can see that I'm generating this video and I'm letting you generate another video. What are you going to do with that? Plus click on the button in the background, create another tab and then another vid. Here again 2, but the tab here is 1 but the video is already, and the other is already but the video is done, so you can create videos quickly with unlimited. I'm the only one who shares between you. We're making 6 videos from here. Another thing I want to tell you is that you're making a total of 5 videos from here. Another thing is that here you can create 5 videos with one account. You can create 5 videos again after 19 hours. And if you want to create unlimited, then you can log out of your account and create a new account again. Like me, you can create videos now. Well, now this is where I select our videos from. Taking our 6 videos from here. I selected Ed by clicking on the option. Well, now let's see you. I play where from here. Can use, this is where I use the transition. You can use whatever transition you like, so now we're using that transition. I've used the same transition, and now we're working on adding thumbnails from here. So many people can't add thumbnails. It's very easy to add thumbnails to the cap, so you can see here that it's written on the cover. And from here I'm going to click on the save option. From ChatGPT, if you tell me to make a stop, you'll give me your gold. He'll make a stop in his place. Okay, now I'm going to click on the AISD option. From here I'm going to turn it on. Watch this video very quickly. Being an expert. So hey, we get the video. Seeing you guys.